In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Phantom Wallet using your secret recovery phrase. First things first, to begin this process, you need to head over to the Phantom official website. Once you're there, look for the download option. What we're aiming to do here is install a Chrome extension which will integrate the Phantom Wallet directly into your browser, making it incredibly easy to access and use. When you spot the download button, click on it. You'll be directed to the Chrome Web Store. Here, click on Add to Chrome. This action will prompt your Chrome browser to start downloading and subsequently installing the Phantom extension. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the addition of the extension to your browser. Go ahead and click on Add to Extensions. Once the extension is installed, you'll notice the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser's extension bar. Click on this icon and it will open the Phantom Wallet welcome page. At this point, you'll be presented with two clear options for setting up your wallet. The options you'll see are Create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. Since you're looking to install the wallet with your secret recovery phrase, you'll select the I already have a wallet option. Now that you've decided to import your existing wallet, the next screen will display options on how you can do this. What you're focusing on here is using your secret recovery phrase. You'll see an option that says Import Recovery Phrase, which is exactly what you need. Make sure you have your secret recovery phrase handy. This is critically important because without it, you won't be able to access your wallet. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on Import Recovery Phrase. You'll be directed to a screen where you can paste your recovery phrase. Carefully type out or copy-paste your secret recovery phrase into the provided field. It's essential to do this accurately to ensure a successful import. Once you've pasted your phrase, find the Import Wallet button and click it. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Phantom Wallet and imported it using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, protecting your recovery phrase is crucial, as it's the gateway to accessing your wallet and its contents. Keep it safe and private at all times. Now, you're ready to explore the features of the Phantom Wallet, making transactions and managing your digital assets directly through your browser. Enjoy your newly set up wallet.